Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to find out to get 3DS ROMs, decrypted ROMs to be exact. We're going to be looking for Zapato.com. Now once you're on here, you're going to be clicking on Nintendo, you're going to be going on 3DS ROMs, and then you're going to be do not click 3DS CIA unless you're going to decrypt it with a decrypting program. So I recommend you go to 3DS decrypted ROM list, and then once you're here, probably click on Pokemon Y or Pokemon X. You're going to be like, do I pick Pokemon Y, Europe or USA? Which one do I pick? I'll pick one. It doesn't really matter. I'll just pick the first one here. It won't matter. And then once you're on here, I'm going to be saying, I'll right click these links. For me, I personally use one fixture most, but really it depends. So you can only use one of them on one fixture, while on Mega Art you can use it on both. Because one fixture has a 30-minute slowdown for each download unless you have premium. So that's it for this tutorial. Hope you like and subscribe. Goodbye.